This is my August sales report and best-selling products. For the month of August, I had 44 sales across all stores. This is in comparison to the 48 sales I had during the month of July. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 19, Weddings by Rhoadie 3, Homeschool Me 15, Rhodie's Kitchen 0, Alma Africa 5, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. Happy Birthday Best Boyfriend Ever came in first place, and that's from my Miss Rhoadie store. My Best Grandpa Ever t-shirt came in second place. And I didn't have a third place, so we could just move to honorable mention. I sold 6 of these cute lion notepads to a customer from my Homeschool Me store. Other items sold. I sold stickers, a beach towel, a doormat, bathing towels, an eraser, a can cooler, wedding invitations, wooden box sign, license plate frame, Bible verse poster, luggage tags, file folders, and a cell phone cover. These are my customer demographics for this month. 86% of my customers were from the US, 14% international. 71% were women, 27% men, and 2% unknown. My top states: California with 9 sales, Texas and New York tied with 3. International sales: I had 4 international sales from Australia, 1 from Germany, and 1 from Belgium. I didn't have any referrals for the month of August. And takeaways: my only takeaway that I have for this month is just continue to be consistent with your store despite obstacles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.